The Contra Costa County District Attorney's Office has a new employee roaming the courthouse, a dog.
KPIX5's Don Ford shows us the canine is not there for security, it's there for comfort.
This fun-loving 2-year-old golden retriever named JoJo works here at the Contra Costa District Attorney's Office. Doesn't chase people, sniff out bombs or drugs, but she's deeply involved with some of the most brutal, traumatizing child abuse cases ever to enter a courtroom, helping victims testify in open court.
She's there just to be there for the child, but that child just feels a little bit better that there's somebody warm and just absolutely just 100% for that child or that victim.
Jojo, let's go.
In the courtroom, JoJo is all business, trained to cuddle at the feet of victims appearing on the witness stand. She knows 40 commands. It's not just the dog that's trained.
I love dogs.
DA investigator Mary Pickett, JoJo's handler, had to study weeks of dog psychology, behavioral instincts, and master handling dynamics before the program could start.
Mary Pickett.
Now the word is out and calls for JoJo's services are increasing. But JoJo is so comfortable with children, she sometimes falls asleep in court.
Well, she began to snore, and we saw a few jurors smile.
That may be a problem. Defense attorneys may object. That the public defender could say, I don't want that cuddly little dog up there influencing my jury.
That's right, and that's one of their main arguments is that it will unduly influence the jury and make the jury more susceptible to believing the victim.
In any case, judges always have the final say if JoJo will be used or not. It's not easy getting a courthouse dog program in place. It took Contra Costa almost 2.5 years to get it started. But they say, doggone it, it sure was worth it. In Contra Costa, Don Ford, KPIX5.
Nicely done, Don. Still ahead at 6:30, an alert for parents and grandparents.